The production process of the paper face gypsum board manufacturing machine mainly includes the following steps: raw material preparation, slurry preparation, initial setting, drying, stacking, and packaging. Our equipment can achieve automated operation, improve production efficiency and product quality, and ensure the stability and reliability of the production process. Production process of the paper-based gypsum board manufacturing machine mainly. Support before, during, and after sales, including equipment installation, commissioning, training, and maintenance. Customers have special requirements